To get a cleaner mix, it's best to group your snares and percussions into a single channel and then add a little reverb to further add some life and depth into your mix. Now, do not add your kick to this bus. If you have already done so, do well to unlink it. All we need is your snares, claps, and percussions. Do not add any drum with bass elements like 808s, sub bars, and any percussions with very low frequency. Do not add it to this bus. Let's get started. As you can see, I've linked all my snares and percussions to this channel. Now, if I were to play my drum track, since this is turned off, you won't hear anything but the kick and just the 808. Let's listen and see. And now we turn it back on. So now all we need to do is add some reverb to this channel. We'll get our reverb. And remember, just a little reverb. We do not want the, because even though we did not link the kick and the sub bars, these elements here have a little bit of low frequency in them, so we do not want the low frequencies to be reverbed or to reverberate in the mix. We just want from the high mids to the high frequencies. We make sure the room is big, and then we turn down the bass. If your reverb plugin has a bass button, turn down the bass. We don't need the bass. Make sure the decay is simply under 1 millisecond. Then we turn down the wet also to about 20%. We just need a little bit of reverb. Now let's listen. If you listen, there's too much reverb, especially in the high end. So we simply take out the high cuts and bring it down to about 1.6 kilohertz and listen. Now that sounds better. And that is how to add reverb to your drum tracks. You group the snares and percussions, if any, and add a little bit of reverb to give it more life. Do not add your kick and your bass elements to that same channel yet, just your percussions and your snare or clap.